How to set your phone to always read colors name aloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. So after you click on answering and ending calls, so click on read callers name aloud. So you will see if you want to set always. So click on always. You will see read caller name aloud is always. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set your phone to always read callers name aloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.